Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Squash, 6ixBoss, Big Breeze, up in a them town. Also, we want to talk about David Brooks, Movado, the Gully God. Also, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Addy, the teacher, Mr. Palmer, World Boss. Also, we want to talk about Movado's son, Dante. People, Dante out here, a crash out on the internet. Movado's son out here a act a fool. Movado's son we get where half in case based upon certain technicalities. Movado's son we did a look upon life in a prison, bust him case on the road. A whole bunch of people say free Dante. Movado spend millions for free him son. Movado say the system a fight him son. The system a hold on ghetto youth. The system a punish him son because of him. Movado say him son innocent, but we see Dante out here a act like 87. We see Dante out here a act like he is a Dan, a area Dan. Like say a him run off the gully. Like say a him run off Cassava piece. Movado's son Dante out here a act just like him name. In name Dan. Same out here a behave like a Dan. People, Movado's son produce a song for Skeng, and Movado's son post on him Instagram anytime them ready, man. Them a fool. Me a go put it up and make on the seat. People, Movado's son name on Instagram a Dante Movado's son. So Dante is a person where out here a represent Movado to the fullest. So anywhere and anything where Dante act and behave pan, it is a reflection of Movado. Enough people did I say free the youth, but it look like say the youth no learn. It look like say the youth no understand himself. The youth out here pan demon time. The youth out here a crash out. The youth out here a fight down danship. Seeing Movado was supposed to be a real father. It look like say Movado cannot control Dante, or it look like Movado just don't care. Like father, like son. Enough people, you can take them out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of them. You can take them out of the garrison, but you can't take the garrison out of them. And we now put down the ghetto. Enough people come from the ghetto, uplift themselves and make themselves better. Movado is a youth where I come from the trenches. I come from the garrison, the gully, make a better life for himself and become a millionaire, a superstar, a dancehall icon. And Movado elevate himself and live uptown. Now him the overseas, but him son Dante want to stay in the garrison, in the ghetto. The youth here now want use the resources and connection and links when father have and become a businessman. Him a do look producing, but him still a pre-gangster thing. Him still a pre-badness. Sometimes them say a life reflect art or art reflect life, but it look like the youth here want do it literally. The youth no want just be known as a producer, as a businessman, as a youth where go school and get an education and behave like a person where educated and intelligent. No, the youth love the badness. The youth toxic. The youth corrupt and the youth want be a bad man. And if the system running pan him now, if the police them running pan him, Movado and other people are gonna say the police them actually a target him son. But Movado's son, Dante, actually make himself a target. Yes, sir. When time Dante, I go say 7. And I go style the 6 and say the 6 them forget bullet and say the 6 them anytime them ready, him ready for anything them ready for. And you out here go disrespect squash 6ixBoss and you go disrespect the 6 camp. A problem you are look, a problem you want to find yourself in. We see say the feds them done already a pre the 6 camp, and we see 6 camp, we see the 6 camp out here a war, the 7s, 6 and 7 a go at it like crazy. A crazy people lose them life in a Trinidad and Tobago because squash 6ixBoss camp extend not only in Jamaica, Montego Bay, not only in Florida. You have crazy people in a Trinidad and Tobago where say 6 and the 7 camp they in a Trinidad and Tobago as well. Them at war. A crazy people are lose them life. People are drop out here, there, and everywhere. Skeng says 7, squash says 6 camp. Squash and skeng no good. Squash and skeng been a go at it. Both persons before squash get locked up. I said drop location. Squash and skeng a go at it. Crazily, skeng says 7, squash says 6. Now Movado son Dante out here a produce a bad man song. And I tell the 6 camp say them can get it anytime, any place, anywhere. Movado now I go get drawn into this because Dante is supposed to represent him father. Dante I use him name Dante Movado son. So him a go off him father hype. So anything will reach the son can reach the father. Anything will reach Movado can reach the son. And if there is a beef, Movado somewhere, somehow, a figure step in and defend him son. Him son just come from prison. The youth did a face life in a prison. In daddy spend millions to get him out of prison, and the youth still out here in the toxicity. The youth still out here behave in a toxic way. The youth no learn. When we tell them say the feds them pre everybody social media and the feds them pre the music video. Likewise Jamaican government them pre the artists them pre the music video them as well. Only see what happened to Kiprich after Kiprich build a song and out they defend a certain Dan. Them charge Kiprich and bringing him for questioning, so them a watch social media, them a pay attention to dancehall. Movado son Dante we been convicted already a red flags. Already them a go pay attention to him. And any situation he find himself in, we don't know if the police them are going to carry him. We don't know if the police them still are watch him. We don't know if the bad man them still are watch him. Because certain people get dash way. So reprisal can happen at any given time. Now Dante want take up a 6 versus 7 war. Want get himself involved in a things when not supposed to get involved in. After he find himself in a trouble with the law before, the youth here need to build. And Movado is not a good father. Me no know if Movado afraid of him. Movado need to box him down, tap in his chest or something. The youth here supposed to out here a preschool education, a pre-producing on a proper level. The youth should not pray if you go back to school and learn media and learn the business, learn some accounting, so you can be father, producer, manager, or help the father business grow. Movado and his son supposed to be a brand. Movado by himself is a brand, but the son out here a pre badness. We see where the same badness put squash 6ixBoss, the 6 and the 7s them a war, crazy people a lose them life. That's why them label squash 6ixBoss as a transnational gang leader, because the gang started in a Jamaica, expand to Florida, the United States. Now the gang is in Trinidad and Tobago. That's why them label him as a transnational gang leader. And when we talk about Movado not being a good father, on the other hand, we always beat Vybz Kartel when Vybz Kartel do wrong. But we see Vybz Kartel tell him son them for low badness, low crime and violence. Him we deal with what we deal with. Vybz Kartel say even when him there behind bars, he make sure say him son them grow up properly. He make sure take care and kids them. Make sure say them get the best and the finest education. Vybz Kartel take him kids them and make sure say them grow uptown, and uptown them grow. Them get the nice house, the nice car, the swimming pool, the cable, the internet. Uptown, inna the hill. Vybz Kartel say my prayer house 30 million for your house up a Sony. Up a Stony, that Vybz Kartel pray, make sure him take him son them out of the garrison, give them the best life possible. Seeing and Vybz Kartel youth, them make sure say them live a good life. In baby mother shorty, make sure say them live a good life. You know, hear them in no crime and violence. You know, hear them a behave no way. A straight girl them say. Big houses, travel the world, seeing car, live the lavish lifestyle where them daddy provide for them. Vybz Kartel make sure same give them the best life, and Vybz Kartel as a done put on him foot as a father and make sure say him son them do what them supposed to do. You know, hear him son them in enough regret. Movado son fi out here breed girl. That him name fi a call pan. Drive the big vehicle them. Living at the big house. Travel the world. Go back to school. Get education. Start some business. Produce some good music. And uplift the Movado Gully God name. But a badness the youth out here inner. So instead of Movado go step up like a cartel, discipline him youth and do what he's supposed to do. Or Movado agree with a youth lifestyle. Maybe Movado agree with how his son a roll. Movado, who is a big man, you know, I look for going in 50s, need to do some better song. We see him do some song like Big Guns, this, that. After him youth get slapped away and got prison for years, Movado need to set an example. Movado toxic and him youth toxic. Vybz Kartel on the other hand is a decent father, a good father. The man say even doing they behind the bars, he make sure say them do them homework, make sure say them do what them fi do. We no bias over here. When Vybz Kartel the good things, we give him thumbs up. No matter what we want to say, but Vybz Kartel in take care and you them, and he make sure say whole and you them good, and we no hear him you them name in a mix up. Movado on the other hand, youth go prison for life. I lucky in bossy case. If Movado never have money, links and connection, Dante would still be behind bars. So it look like say Dante now learn. And them say, if you can't hear, you must feel. And Dante can't hear. So anything reach him. I mean, I want nobody say, we out here wish bad for the youth. The youth now learn. The youth do crazy years behind the bars, and we not see where the youth grew up. We not see where the youth mature. The youth get a second chance at life, and him out here I do pay friggery. The same road when go down before are the same road him a go down. People are gonna say why we say that. The post where the man make sure we were Dante mindset there, because if he did respect himself, respect Movado, he would have never post that on the internet. Him not respect himself and him not respect Movado. And Movado must hear what I go on. Sometimes you have to step up, jape them youth here, shot them couple bucks, deal with them wicked. Don't spare the rod and spoil the child. Bend the tree for the young. At the end of the day, if you talk to him and you know and listen, anything reach him, tell him say, don't call your phone. Sometimes you have to deal with them youth here tough. Sometimes you have to give them youth here some tough loving. Sometimes you have to deal with them youth here wicked. At the end of the day, me no want no youth when me have be my friend. You're my son or my daughter. Me are your father. At the end of the day, once me I take care of you and you under my roof, my way or the highway, and me are your dad. If you're not gonna listen to me, move out of my place, go on your own. Or me give you a piece of food if me rich like Movado. Give you a start in a life, break you some bread and leave you alone. But anything Dante get out here, him have to go take it. See, you're out here disrespect squash, or disrespect the 6 camp. You're out here say sevens when you know say a big back and forth are going with them. People are lose them life. But Dante toxic. We are wait for hear what Sir P have to say. We are wait for hear what some more people have to say. But the comment there, a friggy comment. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe, I'm out.